Hi there, welcome to PMN Online. In this video, we are going to cover Shopify Automations tutorial for beginners, save hours every week. Let's dive right into the heart of the matter. If you're just starting on Shopify or seeking ways to elevate your store's efficiency, you have landed in the perfect spot. The magic of Shopify Automations lies in their ability to significantly ease the management of your online store. They free up your time, allowing you to concentrate on the most crucial aspect, growing your business. Imagine having more time to brainstorm new products or enhance customer experience, all thanks to these innovative tools. Now, to get you started on this journey, we will introduce you to a fantastic app known as Flow. Think of Flow as your right-hand assistant, tirelessly working behind the scenes to automate a myriad of tasks that you might currently find yourself doing manually. By automating these routine tasks, Flow is designed to streamline your operations, effectively saving you significant time and effort. So, where should you begin this adventure? The starting point is right at your fingertips, the Shopify dashboard. On the left-hand panel, you'll notice a section labeled Marketing. A simple click there, and you will be on your way. Next, you'll want to select Automations. Once you arrive at the Automation section, your next move is to click on View Templates. This area is like a goldmine packed with pre-made automation templates that you can immediately put to use. These templates cover a wide range of common tasks and functionalities essential to running your Shopify store smoothly. Let's explore one of the most favored automations, setting up automatic emails for your customers. This automation template can be a powerful tool in maintaining engagement and nurturing customer relationships through personalized communications. When you select any automation template, you'll find a detailed description of how it functions. A critical aspect to note is that each automation template will list any required apps that need to be installed. Ensuring these requirements are met is vital for the automation to function without any issues. After you've browsed through the templates and found one that aligns with your store's needs, it's time for customization. This is where you can mold the automation to fit your unique business processes perfectly. Customizing the template might include setting specific triggers or actions that align with your promotional strategies, customer interactions, or inventory management. For example, you might want an email to be automatically sent when a customer makes a purchase, thanking them and offering a discount on their next purchase. Once you've finished tailoring the setup to perfection, the final step is straightforward: select the template and activate it. And just like that, you have successfully integrated an automation within your Shopify store directly from the dashboard with only a few clicks. This is the remarkable advantage of utilizing Shopify automations. They enable you to establish processes that will continuously work for you in the background. This grants you the freedom to focus on other critical elements of your business operations. By embracing these automation tools, you enhance efficiency, improve customer satisfaction, and potentially boost your profitability. It's like having a team of invisible helpers, always at work, ensuring everything runs seamlessly. We hope this video made it easier for you to learn Shopify Automations tutorial for beginners, save hours every week. Don't forget to subscribe to PMN Online for more tutorials and tips like this.